In my last video, I had mentioned protein supplements, myths, and I had mentioned that I'll be making part 2 regarding the facts. So today I'm here to reveal the facts which are related to protein supplements. It will arise in your mind, why supplements, why not from a regular diet, why not from balanced food. Alright, let me clear this thing. Have you ever noticed हमारी जो थाली हमारी जो प्लेट होती है मोस्टली फॉर अवर इंडियन लाइफस्टाइल व्हाट इज मोर इन अवर प्लेट as far as I have come across there is more of carbs in it, right? The rice, like the roti. So here these supplements act as an addition to fulfill your protein requirements. Milk has two components, two byproducts. Whenever milk is being curdled, it is being processed, there are two byproducts. One is whey and another is the casein. So whey is the liquid form and the casein is the solid extract which is remaining. So it has no side effects for intaking whey protein. Only things which needs to be considered whenever you are choosing your protein supplement in form of powder or whey protein, for example, you just have to be mindful for few things. That is, one is that you are not lactose intolerant, right? For that there is another option in protein powders, another whey form, as whey has three basic types. That is, one is concentrate, isolate, another is blend, and nowadays many more are available. So just you have to be conscious about which whey protein you are about to intake. You have to consult your health practitioner, maybe to see your nutritionist, your doctor. अब जब प्रोटीन आपकी बॉडी में कम होता है, ये दो काम करता है ड्यू टू डेफिशिएंसी. एक तो आपकी बॉडी इट कीप्स ऑन लूजिंग द मसल मास, सैगी हो जाती है, योर स्किन गेट्स लूज एंड धीरे 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 आपकी एबिलिटी, एनर्जी लेवल्स भी कम होती है इफ़ कंटिन्यूसली योर बॉडी इज एट द लैक ऑफ प्रोटीन, राइट. सेकेंड थिंग, आप जैसे ग्रो करते हैं, राइट, एज वी ऑल ग्रो, तो हमारी एक्टिविटी लेवल्स अबाव जाती है, वर्कलोड्स बढ़ते हैं, वी नीड मोर ऑफ एनर्जी, वी नीड मोर ऑफ मेटाबॉलिज्म, वी नीड मोर ऑफ मसल इंड्योरेंस स्ट्रेंथ